What up, what up? About to do this little gun range with the fam today. I'm gonna take y'all with me on a little journey. Uh, I think this is the boys' first time shooting. I wanna say, yeah, first time shooting. And my wife haven't been in a long time, so this should be hilarious. But yeah, y'all about to go join with us. We're gonna see what time it is. Yeah, I know you see where I am. Don't fucking judge me. I'm just trying to get a gun. I need a case for this shotgun that I have in the house. Um, so yeah, I'm trying to. I gotta go get a case to go to the gun range. I can't carry it in there without it. It's the quickest place I can go get it without having to wait, order it. So anyway, let's do this real quick. Then we heading up there to do that. Get this gunshots cracking. Excuse me. Yeah, I'll pick you up when we get there. All right. Oh, excuse me. No, you're good. So finally found it, chose between this one and the little gray one. About to go pay for this. Get up out of here. So see y'all over there. Loaded up. About to go in there and see what time it is. The clip is easy. The clip is easy. You see, this is what I said to do it, let you know the chamber's empty. This is how you exit. Go on this side for me. Over here. This is how you take the clip out. All right, so for these, pretty simple. All you do is take this, you push down on there, slide it right in there.
And these ones are for this one, right?
Yeah, so that's easy and simple. You can try one. These are very simple. You pretty much just take it, drop them in there.
You gonna get the shotgun?
Got it? Took a minute, huh?
I'm trying to push down in the middle.
Try again. Try again, and then give one to Ryan. You try to load the magazine. It's hard to push in. Be strong, kid. Push it down. Be strong.
Let's catch all the food. Where's that?
Where my bullets going?
Are you even aiming at?
I'm like with the one eye closed, like, where am I going?
No, I really don't think you're aiming at it.
I am. Do you have your good glasses on?
Yeah, I think you are hitting the caution sign. Aim down a little bit, man.
That was 6?
I think you got 5 in there. So let me see if I can get this one. You can try this one.
That one got some punch to it.
I thought that one was stronger than this one.
It is, but if you just got a bigger gun,
How many bullets are in here?
it's like 14, but you could just shoot a couple times, see? Put it down. Look at what she shot at though. Maybe I need to give you that gun, okay? Okay, hold on, babe. I need you to not let that wrist go. Because as soon as you shot, you like, hold on to it.
It hurts.
It does a little bit.
That's why I like the 40s.
Yeah, I need a smaller.
That's a 40?
Huh?
I need a smaller one. That one.
Press stop.
Everywhere except the head, okay?
Hey, look here. They gonna see here bullets whizzing by. Hold on, jam. This. Okay, hold on, baby. Is it a bullet in there?
I don't know.
All right, go ahead.
Jammed again.
I'm done. This hurts my wrist.
Act like that, right? You get like
All right, Ryan, we about to reload you to shoot. Because
that one this time?
Huh?
Or is there
this one? Yeah, go ahead. Grab this right here. Take some bullets out of there. And I'm gonna have you start with the 38.
Bro, it's
not about that, bro.
It is.
Right,
acting like that. You've been wanting to shoot the guns for the longest time. Like that, right?
Yep. And I learned best by pushing down with this thumb while you push it down on the other side. You can sit that down right here, bro. Or over there. Ain't nobody here.
Got it, brother.
You ready to go too, kid? Huh? You ready to go? You up next. All right, Rye. 38. Hey. So, yeah. So,
Right. You want your own thing, or you gonna use mine?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
oh, yeah. Bring it home. Hit the home.
Which one was yours?
Got the same one. Yeah.
Bobby hit now.
That's you. And that's you? I think.
Yeah.
That's your oh, that.
Hey. Nigga running the other way, though.
Nothing in the body.
You can see the bullet count. As you
Yeah, I
load
just
it.
noticed that. It's kind of convenient. I'm not gonna lie.
Look up, TJ.
Okay. So, of course, never put your finger on this until you're ready to shoot. With a revolver, the first initial one, you have to, otherwise it has to draw back when you pull it. See how far out the trigger is? That's because the hammer is all the way in. The hammer would have to draw all the way back just to come back forward. You get what I'm saying? But when you cock it, that brings this close. That means this motherfucker's ready to go right there as soon as you hit the trigger.
Right now.
Yep. So, but first thing first, we're gonna get our hand right. Make sure you get comfortable. If that's what you're comfortable with, this arm is locked though. You see what I'm saying? Lock it. Yeah. Always aim it a little bit down because you gotta have the kick, okay? And then we're gonna go, cock that with. Now it's ready to shoot.
Oh, so you wrist, right?
That's it.
And I need a strong grip on my
You
hand.
do. Just hold your wrist. Aim down a little bit, and then you. Hey, remember, exhale. Breathe in. On the exhale, pull the trigger.
Hand for
Yeah, hold it tight, Rod.
There's 15 in here, Dad?
Get a better stance. Get a better stance.
There's 15
Yeah.
in here or 14?
Hmm?
There's 15 or 14.
It's supposed to be 14, 51 in the chamber. So you load 14 and then you put one. That's how it's 15.
Pull down again.
Yeah, it's just a long trigger. You can just pull down again. You can pull down or you can just pull the trigger by itself. Aim down.
Yeah, one more.
All right. Remember,
Hey,
always
bro, you
face
doing
it
that
away
shotgun
from
too,
you.
you know that, right?
Always face it away from you. You hear what? Always face it away from you. Never turn it toward you. Always keep it away. Turn it away. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
And then you're gonna load the clip. Hey, you two come over here so I can teach y'all automatically load the insert. So once you do that, if you
Maybe you
drop
face it
this
that way?
bullet, Drop that down. Point it that way. Drop it down. Yep, just drop it. That button right there. Push it down.
Oh, okay.
That loads a bullet.
Okay.
It's ready to shoot.
I don't know if I want to shoot this one though.
But you got no choice. Let's go. Just shoot it
Like
once.
that, bro.
If
shoot
you don't
the
want,
shotgun too, like
hold your wrist tight.
that one got a more
Like
powerful.
this too? I can hold it like this too, right?
Yeah, hold your wrist tight. Lock your arm. They got kicked. I see that. I see that. It's getting that head though. There you go. Yeah.
No, you're not.
You want to
Get it
keep
clipped.
going.
All right.
Those shells hot.
Listen, didn't he grab him here? That's what I'm talking about. I see.
Got him 3 poker times in the.
We gonna load that one. Let's go.
I don't want to touch
You're
that.
doing the
You gotta give me
shotgun.
one. You gotta give me one. Gotta give me one.
It's
Tell
not
us
even
wait.
kicked out.
It's just one. And then once you shoot one, you can put it down. Hey, don't put your finger on the trigger. Right? This rubber part is in your shoulder, cause that's
My shoulder?
yeah. Then you aim down, get a good stance, right? Good stance, down. You're gonna have the buckshot in your shoulder, right? Not in your face. You don't want this by your face. See? In your shoulder. You want all the pressure going right there. All right. All right.
Do I cock it?
Nope, already ready to go. You can cock it after they shoot that.
Yeah, I don't have it on my shoulder.
You got it.
All right. Yeah, I can't.
You
There
can.
you go. Just do it. Just go for it. Exhale, inhale, and then exhale. That's when you.
The
Now
direction.
cock it. Cock it. Cock it.
Direction's out.
One more. Yeah. There you go.
Is it the last one?
No, keep going. He shot the thing.
Can I finish it?
Nah, you gotta bring that home. Rick. I think he broke the clip.
He broke his hand for sure. Shot him in the
Yeah, I
hand.
definitely shot him in his hand.
Well, that's not for it.
Got a couple of headshots though.
I sure did.
Bing bang.
Out of here.
All right, here we go, kid. Go right there. You got anything over there? No? Okay. All right. Want to start with that one? All right, so remember, never put your hand on the trigger until you're ready. Support your wrist. You can hold your wrist right there or hold it up tighter on your wrist. All right, get a good stance. All right. Hold it up on your wrist. You can cock it with the revolver. You can cock it. Okay. Now, aim down because you're going to have the kick of the gun, okay? Lock this on. Make sure it's locked. All right? And then when you're ready to shoot, you breathe in. And then out. When you exhale, pull the trigger, okay? All right. I'm only gonna shoot them, right? You stank.